Daily habits that boost your immune system naturally. Your immune system is your body's defense army, constantly protecting you from infections, viruses, and harmful bacteria. But like any army, it needs the right fuel, training, and care to stay strong. Here are simple, science-backed daily habits that will naturally boost your immune system and keep you healthier, longer. 1. Eat a nutrient-rich diet. Food is medicine, and what you eat directly affects your body's ability to fight illness. A strong immune system needs vitamin C from oranges, kiwis, bell peppers, and leafy greens. Zinc from nuts, seeds, beans, and shellfish. Antioxidants from colorful fruits and vegetables that fight cell damage. Probiotics from yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods to strengthen gut health. The goal: build your plate with variety. The more colors, the stronger the shield you create for your body. 2. Prioritize quality sleep. While you sleep, your body releases proteins called cytokines that help fight infection and inflammation. Lack of sleep lowers these protective proteins and weakens your defenses. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted, restful sleep every night. Consistent sleep is one of the most underrated ways to supercharge your immunity. 3. Stay hydrated. Water keeps your cells healthy and helps flush out toxins. It also ensures your blood carries oxygen and nutrients efficiently to every part of your body. Sip water throughout the day, don't wait until you're thirsty. Herbal teas, fruits high in water content like watermelon and cucumber, and coconut water also support hydration. 4. Exercise regularly. Movement is medicine. Exercise improves circulation, allowing immune cells to travel more efficiently through your body. It doesn't have to be extreme. 30 minutes of brisk walking, yoga, or cycling daily is enough to strengthen immunity. Consistent exercise lowers inflammation, reduces stress hormones, and boosts feel-good chemicals that keep your body resilient. 5. Manage stress. Chronic stress weakens your immune system, leaving you more vulnerable to illness. When stress hormones like cortisol stay elevated, your body becomes less efficient at fighting off infections. Daily stress management habits include deep breathing or meditation, journaling your thoughts, spending time in nature, laughing and connecting with loved ones. Even a few minutes a day makes a difference. 6. Limit sugar and processed foods. Excess sugar suppresses immune cell activity and fuels inflammation. Fast food and processed snacks may be convenient, but they weaken your body's defenses. Instead, focus on whole foods, fresh produce, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 7. Get sunlight and vitamin D. Vitamin D is critical for immune function. A few minutes of morning sunlight on your skin helps your body produce it naturally. When sunshine isn't available, foods like salmon, eggs, and fortified dairy are excellent sources. If needed, a high-quality supplement can also help. 8. Practice good hygiene. Strong immunity also depends on preventing unnecessary exposure. Simple daily habits like washing your hands regularly, avoiding touching your face, and keeping surfaces clean reduce the load your immune system has to fight. 9. Build strong social connection. Loneliness and isolation increase stress and weaken immunity. Staying connected with family, friends, or a supportive community keeps your mind healthy and your body stronger. 10. Be consistent. Boosting your immune system isn't about quick fixes. It's about daily habits practiced consistently. The small choices you make each day add up to long-lasting resilience. Your body is a remarkable defense system, but it needs your support. With the right diet, quality sleep, hydration, exercise, and stress management, you give your immune system the power to protect you naturally. Remember, a strong immune system isn't built overnight, it's built every day. Take care of your health today, and your immune system will take care of you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.